Welcome to another audio episode of Environmental Conscience, the education channel regarding our environmental problems and how to solve them. If you want to get notified when new audio lessons are published, please click the subscribe button. In this lecture, we are talking about the pros and cons of socializing. You can also find the related article to the lecture in the video description if you want to study this topic in more detail. We as humans are social creatures. Therefore, many people feel the need to get in contact with other people on a regular basis. However, many people also take the concept of socializing too far, which can do more harm than good in the long run. In this article, the pros and cons of socializing are discussed with great care. Advantages of socializing. Socializing can help you to make new friends. One key advantage of socializing is that it can help you to make many new friends. If you go to bars, clubs or other public places on a regular basis and meet new people, you will meet many like-minded people who share similar interests and values with you sooner or later. In the long run, you will be able to make many new friends. Therefore, especially if you are currently new in an area since you recently moved, socializing can greatly help you with meeting new people and finding people you really want to spend time with in the future. You can explore different cultures. If you are a social person and love to interact with others, chances are that you will also meet many people from different cultures and also from foreign countries over time. If you meet up with those people on a regular basis and become really good friends, they will also give you a deep insight into their local cultures and they may even take you with them to their home country when they visit their families back home. Therefore, if you are really interested in exploring new cultures and to expand your cultural knowledge, socializing can also greatly help you in this regard. Socializing can expand your horizon. Another benefit of socializing is that it can also help you to expand your overall horizon and it can also help you to understand how the world really works. In fact, if you are alone at home all the time, you will often be trapped in your own bubble and will not realize how diverse and interesting life can really be. Hence, by getting out of your comfort zone and meeting new people, you can also learn about different ways of life and will also develop a higher level of empathy and acceptance towards other lifestyles. Socializing can help you succeed in the corporate world. Socializing is not only important for various parts of your private life, it can also help you in the corporate world. In fact, a strong network is crucial to get better job opportunities and to get leading positions in a company. In order to strengthen your corporate network, it can help to socialize with as many people as possible inside a company so that you have plenty of contacts in case you need them. Therefore, if you also want to succeed in the corporate world, socializing inside your company will be the way to go for you. Socializing can help you with finding a partner. If you go out on a regular basis and meet many new people, chances are that you will also find a suitable mate sooner or later. In fact, finding a partner is a numbers game and you have to meet many new people until you find the one that fits you best. Hence, in case you are currently single and don't know why, it may be due to the fact that you don't socialize enough. Therefore, if you want to find your soulmate, make sure that you spend more time with other people. Can improve your overall quality of life. Since we as humans are social creatures, meeting new people and getting together on a regular basis is a must for many people in order to stay mentally healthy. Therefore, if you currently feel sad but don't know why, it may be due to the fact that you don't go out too much and stay at home most of the time. In fact, make sure to go to bars or other social locations to meet up with different people on a regular basis. Chances are that you will soon feel much better due to a higher level of social interaction. You will not feel lonely. Many people also can't be alone and always have to be with other people. In extreme cases, people also feel quite lonely if they only have to spend a few hours without the company of others. Hence, if you are one of those people who simply can't be alone, socializing is a great way to meet new people so that you will always have someone around you. You have people who can help you in case of emergency. Another upside of socializing is that you will have many people who can help you in case you urgently need them. For instance, if you have been kicked out of your flat and are basically homeless, your friends can help you in such an emergency. There are several other occasions in which it can be quite helpful to have people who really care about you. Therefore, your contacts from your socializing activities can also help you out in case you urgently need help. Socializing may help you to deal with your emotions. Socializing can also help us to deal with our emotions. If you have many social contacts, you will have the opportunity to talk with your friends about your problems, and chances are that you will feel much better after you did so. Thus, if you are the type of person who wants to talk about your problems with others, chances are that socializing can also help you in this regard. Networks from socializing can open your eyes for new opportunities. In general, if you get in touch with many different people on a regular basis, chances are that you will learn a lot over time. We all have strengths and weaknesses, and we can learn a lot from each other. Moreover, if you make many new contacts and talk to many different people, chances are that you will also find new opportunities for your future life, which can be life transforming in the long run. Makes life easier in general. If I had to describe the benefits of socializing in one sentence, it would be, it makes our lives much easier. We cannot solve all our problems alone, and socializing can help us to make many different connections that can help us out in case we need them. Therefore, if you want to make your life easier, make sure that you have at least some good social contacts that are there for you in case of emergency. Disadvantages of socializing. Socializing takes plenty of time. Apart from the many advantages of socializing, there are still some issues related to this concept. For example, one problem with socializing is that it takes plenty of time. In fact, if you go out with many different people on a regular basis, you will not have too much time for other things you like apart from work. In turn, this also implies that you will also not have enough time for your hobbies or for other things you like. Hence, socializing can greatly restrict you in freedom regarding how you want to spend your time. You may not like all people you meet. Another disadvantage of socializing is that you will also meet some people you don't like at all and who try to bully you around. Sure, if you know how to deal with those people, this is not a big deal. However, many people in our nowadays society are quite insecure and get emotionally hurt quite easily. Therefore, if you are a rather sensitive person, socializing may also lead to some problems in case you meet the wrong people. Socializing can prevent you from achieving your goals in life. Since you will spend plenty of time to meet up with other people, you will have less time to spend on your own projects. However, if you want to start a business or want to progress in various other parts of life, you will often have to focus on those things if you want them to be successful, and any distractions can lead to a state where you are not reaching your goals. You can gain many important insights while being alone. Being alone can also give you the opportunity to learn about yourself. In fact, I made many of my most profound experiences alone. Being alone can be quite beneficial for you in the sense that there will be no distractions from other people. You can really listen to yourself without having to take care of inquiries of other people of various sorts. Being alone can help you figure out what you really want in life. Since you will not be distracted by other people while you are alone, you will also have a better chance to really figure out what you want to do with your life. In fact, many people in our nowadays society don't even know what they really want in life, since they are too stressed with all the unimportant stuff that has to be done. Therefore, if you are one of those people who feel like they don't have a purpose in life, take some time off and spend your time alone. Chances are that you will soon figure out what's missing for you right now. Once you've figured that out, you can adjust your behavior in a way that makes it more likely to reach your goals. Being alone can make you more independent. Another downside of socializing is that you will become dependent on people sooner or later. You might not notice it at the beginning, but you will more and more rely on other people to solve your problems. Hence, in order to become more independent of other people, you may want to spend more time on your own and learn how to solve your problem yourself. Socializing may prevent you to develop your own character. Socializing can also prevent you to develop your own character. In fact, if you hang out with people who are all quite dominant, chances are that you will not be able to develop your own mindset, but you will rather be stuck in the frame of others. However, developing your own character is quite important since it gives you confidence in yourself. Therefore, socializing can also be harmful in this regard. Socializing can be bad in case you hang out with the wrong people. Especially if you hang out with the wrong people too often, socializing can be extremely harmful to you. We are heavily influenced by the people around us, and if you hang out with losers, chances are that you will become a loser as well. Thus, make sure to spend your time with the right people, since this will determine whether you reach your goals in life or not. Some people will try to exploit you. People also do not always have good intentions. From time to time, people may also try to exploit you and to use your resources for their advantage. Hence, socializing may even lead to financial problems if you hang out with the wrong people. Socializing can be costly. If you want to socialize on a regular basis, it can also become quite costly, since you will go out to several different venues and will spend plenty of time there in the long run. Should you socialize? We can conclude from the previous discussion that there are many advantages and disadvantages of socializing. While a certain level of social interaction can be quite beneficial for us, too much of it can do more harm than good. Thus, make sure to find a healthy balance in order to maximize your overall quality of life. If you like the audio lesson, please give a thumbs up. Moreover, please comment if you have any questions regarding this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order to get notified when future audio lessons are published.